Do you want to know how to display multiple results? Or how result display works at all? Well, here we have two functions. One of them adds two numbers together, while the other subtracts them. If we write add 3, 2 and press the run button, we will get the result of 5, which is correct, but only one result. What if I write subtract 3, 2? The result is 1. JavaScript always have the result of the last expression as the result of the whole code evaluation. In this case, that's the result of the subtract function, hence we received 1. If I would like to display both results, I can easily format them together as a string. My results are expression 1 and expression 2. Now the string building will be the last expression and therefore the final result. To catch a glimpse of how our code runs, we can use the console. Historical results are displayed here. Let's clear those. As you can read, by calling the console.log function, we can write any value to this console. So if I go into the add function and log variable a in every call of the function, the final result won't change. However, in the console I can see my logged values of variable a. The add function was called twice, therefore I can see two log entries before the final result. There is another way of displaying results. The alert function. In the code app, this function can be used to indicate problems while your code is running. For example, if I write alert error into my script anywhere, my run result will be this alert. The rule is, if I have alerts in my code, the first one of them will be my run result, even if I code console.log or have a final expression to display. It doesn't stop the code from running further, just override the final result. These were the different methods to display results in code. See you soon!